Hello folks, it's Rich here, just straight back with this SG Custom from Epiphone, and did a little unboxing on the other video. You're welcome to have a little look, first impressions, and just plugged it in for a little bit of a play. And a couple of things come straight to mind here. This is the volume on number 10. Well, I'm going to go volume all the way to the bottom on the neck. It's not coming through the amp at all. Let's move it up to about 3. Still not coming through the amp. Let's get about 6. CTS pots. Just about coming through. About 8. 10. The volume is pretty much on or off. Now I'm going to put the tone all the way to the bottom. Pull it up to about 4, and about 7, all the way to the top. Doesn't do anything. Wonder whether it's even wired. On the bridge, volume at the bottom. About 4, nothing. About 7, 6, maybe about 6, 8, 9, just about coming through. 10. Let's try the tone. Okay, that has made a difference. That's off, which is about 3, about 6, 7. So there's a little bit of tone going on that. So that's disappointing, isn't it? So we've got volume more or less on or off on the neck and no tone at all. And on the bridge we've got the volume is a bit better than on or off, but not far off, and there's a bit more tone variation. The action on this out the box is a bit on the high side. It's not awful. I have had worse, can't really tell on the camera. It's not awful, some people might like that, but it's just a fraction on the high side. It might just need a bit of a tinker. One thing I've noticed tuning it up, the tuners are lovely. They're really nice, smooth feeling, accurate. Tension on all of the tuners feels the same. They're Epiphone Deluxe, they're like a Cluson copy, or our Cluson style. Really nice. All the binding around this guitar has been done really well. It's finished lovely. It's really good. I'm surprised. I'm impressed. A shame that the it's clean. Let's put a little bit more volume on the amp. It's only on half watt on the catalyst. Nice amount of sustain, ringing out well. One thing I noticed straight away, the clarity. The pickups seem really nice and clear. Not too bad. strange playing 10s. My classic Vibe Squire behind me came with 9s, and they're still on it. I'm not used to playing 9s, they feel a bit squidgy. Now I've got 10s on here, they feel a bit firm. Trying to turn the treble down, it doesn't do anything really. What's the Joy of the Dark Flame pedal doing? Yeah, it's funny, my Harley Benton's got super polished, smooth stainless steel frets. These feel a bit, yeah, the whole board feels a bit dry moving them around at the minute. So, first impressions, disappointing that the knobs aren't responsive. Sounds nice, though, all the same, pickups are clear. And for a guitar that I never thought I would buy or have a go with, so far, I think I like the look of it. So, yeah, that's it. Let me know, what do you think of these? What do you think?